How to use Vision Pro as your Mac's external display. Since its release earlier this week, Apple Vision Pro has taken the world by storm for the countless remarkable features embedded inside of it. However, enthusiasts have been juggling around to figure out a hassle-free mechanism to make the mixed reality headset serve as an external display of their MacBooks. Sidestep your worries if you're one of them. As Gadinsider, in this video, we'll talk as to how this feature works and how you can enable it on your Apple Vision Pro. There are 3 ways to connect your Apple Vision Pro to your Mac in external display mode. When you have your Vision Pro on, simply look at your MacBook and a connect button will appear above the screen. Tap on it and you'll be able to view your Mac's display through your Vision Pro. Use Control Center on Vision Pro. While wearing Vision Pro, look up and tap your fingers together to bring up the Control Center. Tap the Control Center icon, which is the 3rd icon from the left. Look at the Mac Virtual Display icon and tap your fingers together. Choose your Mac from the list of options. Use Control Center on your Mac. While wearing your Vision Pro, navigate to the Control Center on your Mac. Click on Screen Mirroring option. Now choose the Apple Vision Pro in the list of available screen mirroring options. When connected to Vision Pro in external display mode, your Mac's display will go black. This feature works on both Intel and Apple's silicone-powered Macs, but Intel Macs are limited to 3K resolution, while Apple's silicone Macs can run at 4K resolution. Its best part is the ability to place Vision OS windows alongside your Mac display and use universal control to move your cursor between your Mac's display on Vision Pro and other Vision OS apps.